Hello and welcome to day 11 of the Inkvent calendar, and we just need to find number 11. There it is in the middle. So let's just zoom in and see what colour we've got today. Oh, like it's another blue. Glacier. Star Bright. Excuse me, Star Bright. Clearly with some glittery pigment in it. So let me take the wrapper off first, and then we'll shake it, and then we'll see. It's kind of like a teal colour maybe, and we've had two other blue colours so far. Well, one was, let me just show you again. Okay, so one was early dusk, nightfall was a kind of, it looks blue on the label, but it's more kind of black with green. And then we've had jacaranda, which was a lilac-y colour. So, oh, look at that sparkle. I do like it when they're sparkly, but I don't know what, oh, yeah, I don't know what Star Bright is in terms of the inks. I know shimmer, well, obviously shimmer, chameleon will change colour, but maybe Star Bright is just glittery. So let's, oh sorry, let's see what we've got here. Zoom you in. It's quite a pale watery ink, this one. But again, the glittery stuff has sunk quite quickly, so let me just do another little pass with, oh actually yes, I can see the sparkle in it. Just get my little swatchy swatch circle for the top. Oh, can you see the sparkle in that now? So I'm guessing that's what it means by Star Bright. Give it another shake before we write the name. Oh, I've got something on the end of my nib. I don't know what that was. So this is called Glacier. There we go. We did have an ice blue shimmery colour last year, and I forget what it was called, and that ended up being one of my favourites. So there we have Glacier, and see if we can get that. Oh yes, it'd be lovely for night skies for Christmas cards. So there we go, day 11, Glacier. Thanks for watching.